Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of convenient coffee making with the Instant Pot K-Cup Pod compatible single-serve coffee maker, a sleek and compact machine that delivers a rich and aromatic coffee experience right at home. This versatile coffee maker features a pre-infusion brew process, gently soaking grounds before brewing for a deeper flavor, and offers compatibility with K-Cups and most other coffee pods. With the bold setting, you can effortlessly create the perfect pour-over iced coffee by selecting your preferred size of 8, 10, or 12 ounces, and the large 40-ounce removable reservoir means you can brew more and refill less. The intuitive interface with sound notifications and flat-touch sensor buttons makes brewing a breeze, while the removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7 inches tall. Plus, enhance your coffee experience with compostable instant coffee pods and the instant frother for café-style lattes and cappuccinos. Don't forget to explore amazing coffee recipes with the free Instant Brands Connect app, available on iOS and Android, to elevate your coffee game to new heights. So, whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just looking for a quick caffeine fix, this single-serve coffee maker is your ticket to an instant cafe experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.